हरि करना।
Now let's look into the applications of random experiments in machine learning. Let's begin with the Monte Carlo simulations. Monte Carlo simulations can be used in machine learning for a variety of purposes. For example, they can be used to estimate the performance of a model on new data by generating multiple random samples of the data and evaluating the model on each sample. So Monte Carlo simulations can also be used to estimate the optimal hyperparameters for a given model by generating multiple random samples of the data and evaluating the model with different hyperparameter settings. Then hypothesis testing. So hypothesis testing is a statistical technique used to determine whether a hypothesis about a population is likely to be true. So in machine learning, hypothesis testing can be used to test the significance of model improvements. For example, a random experiment can be conducted to generate multiple samples of a data set and evaluate the performance of two different models on each sample. So hypothesis testing can then be used to determine whether the difference in performance between the two models is statistically significant or not. Then bootstrapping. So bootstrapping is a resampling technique used to estimate the variability of a statistic by generating multiple samples from a single data set. In machine learning, bootstrapping can be used to estimate the confidence intervals of model performance metrics. For example, a random experiment can be conducted to generate multiple bootstrap samples of a data set and evaluate the performance of a model on each sample. The results can then be used to estimate the confidence intervals of the model's performance. And finally, randomized algorithms are algorithms that use random numbers as part of their computation to improve their performance or to overcome certain computational challenges. In machine learning, randomized algorithms can be used to speed up model training or to improve the accuracy of model predictions. For example, a random experiment can be conducted to generate multiple random subsets of a data set and train a model on each subset. The results can then be combined to produce a model accurate to produce a more accurate model